The title of our story today is Mysterious Movers by Michael Mayer. It's mystifying. My world is pushed and pulled, rearranged. Who is the mover? Mighty wind unseen, you move so many things. Push my swing up high. Dance, little seeds, dance. Pirouette on gentle winds. Land on fertile soil. Mighty ocean tides, you rhythmically ebb and flow. Whose song do you hear? Powerful wind waves, carriers of salty gifts, bring treasures to me. Roll, little shell, roll, spin and turn on ocean waves, rest on sandy shores. Be still, little crab, no one knows you're inside, tiptoe out of sight. Lift your face, little flower, bathe in the light of the sun, sway in the soft breeze. Ripple, little brook, dance over the rocks below, sing a splashing song. Rotate slowly, earth, bring a year of happy days. Watch the seasons change. Glide, silver moon, play hide and seek with the clouds. Do you chase the sun? Rise high, golden sun, shine your light from east to west. Slink slowly from sight. Things move here and there, mysteriously propelled. Can you name a few?